Hi everyone. Thank you for visiting our channel. We will present a quick way to make a Gantt chart in Excel. In the tab Empty, we move to the Start Date column and we will insert a data validation rule. Go to Data, Data Validation, select List and from the source, select the entire timeline. Let us format this to a date format and copy-paste the data validation to the rows below. Now we will calculate the lag from the earliest date. From the start date we will subtract the earliest date by using the minimum formula. Don't forget to add the dollar signs to the minimum formula. We have calculated the days from the earliest date. We will divide this figure by 30 and round this to 0 decimals. Double-click on the bottom right corner to copy-paste down. Afterwards we can set the duration of each task. We will put random numbers here. We will calculate the end date for each task. We will use the emmonth function. We first select the date and then the duration of each task. We subtract 1 to consider the current month into account. Let us format this to a date format and copy-paste the data validation to the rows below. Moving to the Gantt chart production, we set select a period start. That should be equal or greater than the start date. And we multiply this by the period end date that should be equal or less than the end date. Let us copy this to the right and then down. You can see that the periods where the task is active is noted with 1. And the number of ones corresponds to the duration in months following the start date. To convert this to a Gantt chart we will apply conditional formatting to these cells. Select the entire area, go to Home, Conditional Formatting, then press Highlight Cell Rules, then Greater Than. Select 0, go to Custom Format and select a blue fill with blue fonts. Now if we change any of our assumptions, the Gantt chart will be updated accordingly. Let us play a bit with the assumptions. We can select a custom format to remove the zeros from the cells. Of course you can set her colors and formats. You can do this by selecting the area you want to change, go to Home, Conditional Formatting. Manage Rules, and then in the custom format you can amend the formats to your liking. Another way to produce a Gantt chart is to select the columns task. Lag from start and duration in months. Go to Insert and select a 2D stacker bar. Select the design you like. Afterwards, select the vertical axis. Right-click and Format Axis. Click on the categories in reverse order. Next you have to select the lag from start in blue and select No Fill. Let us delete the labels. Remove the grid lines. And write a title. Let us change the assumptions to see whether this works. And that's it. Thanks for watching.
Subscribe to our channel and smash the like button for more videos.